Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be starting off with this lip gloss. Everything that I do use in this video will be listed down in the description box. I'm going ahead and prime my eyes with this eyeshadow with this concealer from Kylie Cosmetics, and we're using the Marshmallow Sponge from Nyx. I'm not the biggest fan of this sponge. It's not the softest sponge and it's a little bit hard to work with around the eye area, so not the biggest fan. I'm just being real honest with you guys. We're going to be going in with this Lovestruck palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Medieval, and we're going to be using that in the crease and right above the crease. I do have a giveaway going on and it just ended Friday, so I'm going to be announcing the winner in this video, so just stay tuned and I will soon insert who the winner is. But for now we are going in with this shade and we are applying the eyeshadow. I will be messaging the winner via Instagram, but it will also be in this video. I will go ahead and announce the winner. The second shade that I took was Clay, and then after Clay I took the shade, I believe, Vamp, to deepen up. So Clay is just on the brow bone, very skin tone like kind of shade, and then here I'm taking that deeper shade which is Vamp and just taking it in the crease, and then going back in here and I'm just blending out the harsh line with the Morphe M433. I'm going to be using this concealer by Too Faced, and this one is in the shade Light Beige. I really like this color to cut the crease because it's more on the lighter side, so I'm able to get the color to look as it looks in the pan. Now the only reason why I'm using two different concealers is because, like I said, I like to use the Too Faced concealer in light beige to add onto my lids because it's a lighter shade and I feel like the colors come out a little bit more pigmented than if I were to use the Kylie. It's more gearing towards my skin tone, so I don't feel like the colors would show like I would like them to, like when they do when I use the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting concealer. So that is why I'm using two separate concealers. Don't mind my crazy hair, but I'm just gonna go run some errands and I don't want to really like slick my hair back really nicely. But anyways, off subject, I'm going in with the shade Chivalry and I'm applying that to the lid. Everywhere where I apply the concealer, I'm applying that shade. I really love this shade. It's such a beautiful shade. It kind of like, I would say it's kind of like a duochrome because it like shifts, like the color shifts in the sunlight. It's really, really beautiful. I love this color. And then here I'm just going in with the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof, I believe, yeah, I think it's the Breakup Proof eyeliner, and this eyeliner is so bomb. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I thought I liked the other Wet n Wild pens, but no girl, these are the ones that, this is the one that I love. And then here I'm just coating my lashes with some mascara and going in with some lashes from, I believe it's Cherry Blossom. I'll go ahead and list everything down below, but these lashes are really pretty, very affordable, and a pair of these are going to be going in the giveaway. Not in this exact style, I believe it's a different style, but a pair of these will be in the giveaway. This brand, I just think they're so beautiful, so dramatic, so they're just my cup of tea. And then here I'm going in and mixing two of these shades from the Peach Perfect the Peach Perfect foundation, and I'm mixing a natural beige beige. I don't know what's wrong with me today, but I'm going in with natural beige and latte, and I mixed the two shades. I put a full pump of natural beige, and then I put a half pump of the latte shade just to get like a good shade for my skin, because when I ordered it online, I got the shade latte, right? And when I tried it, it was a little bit too dark, so then I went in with a lighter shade, and that's when I picked up the natural beige shade. And I feel like this combination works okay, you know, like it's not too light, it's not too dark, like it's good for the summertime, or you know, the winter time. But I'm saying summertime because here in Texas the weather is not really like a full-on winter when it is, you know, in these months. It's like our weather's kind of bipolar here. But so my skin tone, it just sometimes it'll get lighter, sometimes it'll just be darker, and this concoction just works best right now for me. Now I'm going in with the Kylie Concealer to conceal my dark under circles, under, what are they called, bags or whatever. And like I said earlier, this marshmallow sponge, it's not like the best. It's kind of huge when it comes to like getting in the inner corners or right underneath the lower lash line. It doesn't have a point, so it's a little bit hard to work with. Here I'm taking the Peach setting powder from Revolution. I've been using this powder on and off since I purchased it. I believe I purchased it last year in probably like November, December. I don't know. I've been using it for quite some time already, and I really do like this powder. I feel like it works really nicely. It's finely milled and it's just good. Here I'm going in with Kylie's Tequila Tan to bronze up the skin. I love this bronzer. It's not like overpowering. The thing about her bronzers is I feel like even if you rub your powder brush into the bronzer, it still doesn't apply it like very harshly, which I really like, and it doesn't apply it like really light, so it's like just perfect. You don't have to like go in over and over. You get, you know, the pigmentation that you like with, you know, the first time, you know, putting your brush in there. Here I'm going in with this Amor Ruby Pink or whatever it's called. It's a palette, it's a blush palette. It's such a pretty palette. I feel like you get what you need when it comes to blushes in this palette. You get some nice shades, you get a nice highlighter. I love the formula. I think it's beautiful. Like if you ever come across one, just go ahead and pick one up, or just shop their website. They have some pretty good deals on there. And then here I just went in with the coconut setting spray from Wet n Wild. Applied that all over the skin just to mix in the foundation with the powder and just make it look a lot more seamless. And then here I'm going in with the lip liner from NYX, I believe. And then here taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. I'm gonna list everything down below, you guys, so if you need the shades, they will be listed down below. And then here I'm going in with the shade Palette and placing that in the inner corner just to get some color right in there. And now for the winner, it's Lizzie Myers. I will be messaging you via IG, so make sure you check your messages. And thank you to everyone who entered. There will be another giveaway on my next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Please turn on your post notifications. That way you're alerted every time I do upload a new video. Thank you guys for tuning in and just watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video.